Ever wanted to make quick, secure payments without even reaching for your iPhone or wallet? Your Apple Watch Ultra is ready to revolutionize your shopping experience. First, to set up Apple Pay on your Watch Ultra, you'll need to open the Wallet app on your paired iPhone. This is where you manage all your cards. Once in the Wallet app, you'll see a plus sign in the top right corner. Tap this to begin adding a new card. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of card you wish to add, usually a debit or credit card. You can either use your iPhone's camera to scan your card details or manually enter them. If you prefer, just follow the on-screen instructions. After entering your card information, you'll be presented with the terms and conditions for adding your card. Review them and tap Agree to proceed. Your bank will likely require a verification step to ensure it's you. This often involves receiving a code via text message or email. Enter the verification code you receive into the designated field on your iPhone. This completes the card addition process. Now that your card is added to your iPhone's wallet, it's time to transfer it to your Apple Watch Ultra. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Inside the Watch app, navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay. Here, you'll see the cards already on your iPhone and options to add them to your watch. Find the card you just added and tap the Add button next to it to provision it onto your Apple Watch Ultra. You may need to enter your watch passcode. To make a payment, simply double-click the side button on your Apple Watch Ultra. Your default card will appear, ready for use. If you have multiple cards, you can just tap or swipe on your watch screen to select the one you want to use for the current transaction. Hold your Watch Ultra near the contactless reader at the payment terminal. You'll feel a gentle tap and hear a sound confirming your payment is complete. And just like that, you've made a secure, quick, and convenient payment using your Apple Watch Ultra. Enjoy the freedom of contactless transactions directly from your wrist.